see the third one. Here are my stuff that I also got from 999. Oh wait, hold on. Ding! These are Hello Kitty playing cards. These are solitaire cards. And there's what they look like on the inside. Let's pull them out. Ooh! Goodness me. Whoa. Whoa, this is cool. Look at that. Check out all the cards we got. So we have a front card that looks like, here's the back of them. And each, of course, has a Joker card. So we have 2 Joker cards. Cool. We got a Milk Hello Kitty for the, okay, I have to look for the most perfect card for you guys to see. This one is a Strawberry Girl. Strawberry Girl Hello Kitty. Ooh, these cards are awesome. Ah! This one is cool. It's Hello Kitty and dear Daniel in Japan. Or is it China? I'm not sure. This one, they're on a standee that says Hello Kitty. And then this one, Hello Kitty, is on a gigantic bow. Hello Kitty in a pile of strawberries. She's covered in. Oh, whoa!
Whoa!
Look at that! It's a Christmas tree, and it's got all the characters on there. There's their Daniel over there. Hello Kitty dancing. Hello Kitty wallpaper.
Dancing in the dark.
You to my arms. She's on ice cream. Who wants ice cream? Whoa. Okay, I'm back. Oh, look at L-O-V-E Hello Kitty. Wow. Hello Kitty, she's got a menu of sweets. Look at that. And she ordered this cake over here. This cake. That's cool. Oh my gosh. Hello Kitty.
Gosh.
Hello Kitty, new friends and new fun. Hello Kitty,
Gosh,
your
oh gosh.
family. Happy holidays. She's got more sweets. Hello Kitty. Oh my god. Oh my god. So Hello Kitty is dressed up as this yellow cat, and the yellow cat is dressed up as Hello Kitty. These are very fun solitaire cards. Whoa, Hello Kitty in New York. Look at that. Whoa, Hello Kitty matching game cards. Ooh. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty in One Piece. Is she Luffy? I'm not sure. I think she's Neri, I think. I'm not sure.